Hello pioneers, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use Opensea and how to search for different coming up NFTs. Apart from this is an Ethereum marketplace. So let's check out what other NFT marketplaces are out there. Uh, XZ Infinity, Decentraland, Foundation Marketplace, Maker Place, sorry for that, Mentable. Apart from that, here are some top 5 uh, on OpenSea. So CryptoPunks are leading the chart. BAYC is on second. Alpha is on third. Yeah, Shiba is also here. So it's all trending all over the crypto marketplace. And it's number 4th on OpenSea. So it's, if you are having some Shibas fan, then you can go and buy NFT over here. So with apart from that, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will try to answer that. Let's go and explore the OpenSea now. So if you come to here, OpenSea.io, so here at top there's like you can search something and you can create new, but it will work like just for one NFT. And next coming video, I will show you how to upload a collection to OpenSea. So if you are interested in that, you can just subscribe and you will get it. Apart from that, here is top 15, as I mentioned in the slides. Apart from that, there are some trending collections. So if you are interested in new collections, then this is one is for you. Create and sell your NFTs, collection, add your NFT, list them for sale. So it's all over here. You can go to one by one. And so the first step will be to connect the wallet. But before that, here is a huge community and you guys can join it and learn more thing about it. So I will highly recommend that, you know, follow them on Twitter and join the Discord so that you can know about what's coming new and also what is going to change. So if we come here and click on explore, so over here we are. But before that, let's connect the wallet. If I didn't, oh, I did. So that's good. For that purpose, I am using MetaMask. You can use any. If you don't know about it, you guys can also follow that tutorials down in the comment section. So over here we have few filters in this section. So you can filter out different sort of like different NFTs on different states and different facts. So over here we have all NFTs. Over here we have different categories apart from that, so you can collect from any. And over here we have rankings. Just as we can see, there are like a lot of collections, but here are 100 top 100. So you guys can buy it and you guys can flip it and you guys can earn from it. So over here activities, so the activities are like last second sales. You can check it out. It's just like uh Etherscan, but with some pictures and a lot of other data as well, and a little bit organized. So it's quite good to see over here. Okay, so apart from that, there help center, platform status, partnerships. So if you are a NFT collect, like you are going to launch NFT in coming days, so you can go to partnerships and become a partner, and it will help you a lot. So you can find any gas fee, and you can check it out here. Discord community, as I talked, blog and other stuff over here, Twitter. So that's all. Okay, so now if you come to create over here, you can just create your account, and then you can just create NFT one by one. But if you are like want to launch a collection, then I am going to teach you in next coming video. Over here, you can check your profile. I don't have anything, so it, you are here. You can check your favorites, if any, collections if you launch any. So and then settings and logout. So that's all quite normal. So let's go back to explore and check out the filters. That how can you filter something? If you want to buy, then you can just click on buy now, and it will show you only those who are listed for like exact price. Apart from that, if you are interested in auction, like you want to bid on something, so over here it is. Also, you can just first select a collection. Let's say I select this one, Space Girls. So this, okay, this is an artist. So yeah, that's good. We're having almost 5,000 items. Wow, it's good. 1.1k owners, and floor price is quite low, so you can buy one. It will be interesting. So if I press on buy now, then it will show me what is listed for buy right away. You can buy it for that price. I go to auction, you can do auction on such NFTs. Okay, they are like quite few. Okay, so new one. Over here it will not show, like it might show all of it because but new one might be for like the whole collection, the whole market, like what is coming new. So if someone has offer on few, so it will list this in order. Okay, it's all depend that what are you interested in. If you are interested in ETH price, you can set it to ETH. If you are interested in dollar price, you can set it to dollar. But normally it's in ETH, so it's all good. So if your range is 0.01, then you can apply maximum 0.0, like 0.5. So when you apply, it will just show in between this, and you can go and buy this, if you wanna. Okay, so yeah, that's I will remove this filter. After that, there is like chain. If you want to, let's jump into explore, and then you can go to chains, and over here you can just select Polygon. So these NFTs are on Polygon, so you guys can check it out. This one like Ethereum, and then this. Okay, so it's all up to you which platform you like. Like personally, I like Ethereum the most, so I will go with Ethereum. But everyone having his own preferences. Category. So it's all up to you which category you like. You can select that. On sale, you can just select that filter. So also you can check out the most popular one collection. If you jump to CryptoPunk, you can check it out over there. Like, and okay, when you come over here, you can just see bundles or single. You can sort it out by like recent listed. Like if someone want to sell it, so it's like listed quite recently. Apart from that, created, don't know, but yeah, it will show it an order that okay, this one is created recently, recently sold. It will show you which one is like sold recently. Okay, so it's like 37. Apart from that, recently received, it should be also that one, I guess. Yeah, it's 37. uh from low to high. So let's see what is the floor price. Oh, okay. So the floor price is quite high, you know, like for there's price for 0.09. Yeah. So from high to low. So let's see which one is like on top. Do I missing something? I don't know. High to low. Let's see. CryptoPunks. Jump into it. Okay. Now we can just from high to low, and it should show us. Yeah. It's not giving us the results. I don't know why. Okay, so highest last price is 124. It's almost 124,000, 125,000 ETH. It's quite interesting. So yeah, from high to low also. Okay. Apart from that, most viewed one is like, so there are different filters for this. You guys can check it out, whatever you like. You can use it up to your advantage. There is a floor price for each collection. You guys can check out the floor price, and let me show you how you can just flip your NFTs. Like, just check out the floor price for this, and you can just buy the lower one and just flip it for a little bit higher price, and you will earn some. So let's say you buy 0.02 and you just set it to 0.04, and if someone buy it, you will earn like, you will double your ETH. So this is the way to buy any NFT and flip it. So I guess that's all for today. If you want to reach me out, you guys can like, coming up next is like, what should be next? Of course, NFT collection, and upload it to Opensea. So if you are interested in that, just follow me, and you will get it. To contact with me, you guys can always reach me out on different social medias. So that's all for today. See you in next one. Bye.